Hey everybody, this video I've got an American 1100. I've been picking sidebar locks here recently, so we're going to take a break from that for now and go back to locks that I actually find fun, which is most locks that aren't sidebar locks. And I got 6 of these American 1100s that have been sitting here since May of last year. It's about 8 months now, 9 months. So we can go through a couple of these here. Been quite a while since I picked an American lock. Man, these picks are way too fat to fit in there. Okay, put me into a false set. Counter rotation here. Okay, lost the false set. Lost the tension wrench. Lost the false set, lost everything. Try a different tension wrench. I'm using a 50,000. Let me go to a 40,000s here. Try the same Secure Pro. Notched out. I don't really know what it is. Like a notched out hook. Okay, back into a false set. Ooh, I thought I had an open. So it looks like I think that was number 1 that just set, but didn't lose the false set. So it should just be one spool here holding us up. Right there. That was number 3, I think. And let's see if we got it here. So lock it back. I do have the key. Alright, everything got dumped out. And we will need peanut follower clip tool. And there's the screw, no bypass plate in this guy. I forget to check that on Americans, and people always seem to want to know. Alright, let's see what we got here. So, I'm going to zoom in right there, okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And what we would expect here, everything is going to be serrated except 2 and 3 because they're so short. I think those were 2 cuts. and 2 and 1 American pins aren't serrated. Okay, I'll head upstairs here. I think 1 is going to be a spool. Sure enough. 2 is also a spool. 3 is not coming out. 3 is also a spool. And I'll put some springs out. These are nice new springs. 4 is a spool. And 5 is a serrated pin. And I think I might have lost a spring, so there it is. Alright, so we got, as far as key pins go, or drivers, I mean, we got 4 spools and, whoa. Okay, there we go. There's a good look here. 4 spools and 1 serrated. And then on the key pins, all serrated, and then the 2 non-serrated on 2 and 3. So that will do it for this video, and we'll talk to everybody later.